Hello. Okay, so in regards to ED 146 child guidance, by now you should have gone through all the information up here, lots of important information, as far as, what's expected of you, what you can expect from me, etc. So, if you have not done that, you need to make sure you've looked at all that information. Now, one thing each week you will see where I have module resources. These are things that you should be reading and looking at. Like, for example, here's chapter 1, and here's information, resources I've posted, and here's your assignments. Now, one thing that's really important, when I post resources for you to look at, it's important that you view them and look at them and read them, because I can tell if you have reviewed it. Also, too, if you see this, like listen to instructor notes here, that's where I have some notes. I might go over some PowerPoints or some important websites. So make sure you always look at that. Again, all your assignments are always due on Tuesdays unless I notify you differently. If I do, I'll notify you through course announcements. So that's why it's always important to check your course announcements in this class and all your other classes. As far as textbooks, you should have this textbook, Positive Child Guidance by Doris Miller. Some of you may have rented the book. Some of you may have borrowed a book. Some of you may be doing Cengage Unlimited, where you have access to the ebook. That's fine. When you log into Cengage, if they ask you for access code, you do not need the access code for the book. All you need is access to the ebook. So that's all I really wanted to go over with you this week as far as, important things concerning the class. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks.